So you want to get into sales. Okay, sell me this pen. I bet you heard this one before. It's an old sales strategy and tactic used many years ago for new sales professionals that were looking to get into the industry. Now, if your sales training, your processes, your system, your playbook, if it's aligned with this old strategy and tactic, seek help now. These strategies and tactics will no longer work with today's modern day buyer. Hello, my name is Ralph Beltran, sales coach and trainer with Become Your Best Consulting, and I teach new modern day sales training in cold calling, prospecting, customer outreach, customer relationship building. I teach all of the sales strategies and processes needed to work with today's modern day buyer, not the buyer 10, 20, 30 years ago, today's modern day buyer. So if you're a sales professional and you're looking to take your sales career to the next level, let's connect. You could find me on social platforms at BYB Sales Mentor, at BYB Sales Mentor. Once again, my name is Ralph Beltran, sales coach and trainer with Become Your Best Consulting. I look forward to connecting.